Morning guys, mingaw kayong palibot. Ayan, super day ngayon. Good morning sa lahat. Last day of school ni Karel. So, ihatid namin siya sa bus stop. And mamaya pala is papunta kami sa school nila mga after lunch ata. Mingaw pang palibot guys. Changing, huh? Looks like 6, but it's already 7:14 a.m. Para pang ano guys, 6 a.m. dito, pero ano na, 7:14 a.m. Yan, hindi pa ako nakapagsuklay guys. Ang ganda ng ano. First time kong ginamit si Garnier na conditioner. Yan, para akong nakariban. Bagsak na bagsak yung aking hair. Yan. Diba? And bumili na rin din ako ulit ng ano, shampoo nito para isang set siya. So, isang shampoo at saka isang conditioner. Balak nga ako ano, magpapackage ito sa ano, Pinas. Ang ganda niya guys. And smooth sa hair yung ano, Garnier conditioner. Mamaya itra-try ko yung ano, shampoo. Yan. Yan, hindi pa nga ako nagsusuklay pero bagsak na bagsak yung hair. Ano pala to, yung kulay na kinukulay ko is medium brown. Yan.
And the last day of school, we do a senior walk, which is a senior walk where I think high schoolers walk to our school that's about to graduate to college, and then after that we have like the sixth graders do kickball against the staffs, and then we have like a party for the rest of the day in the cafeteria with all these sixth graders. That we have unlimited pizza. You could eat anything you want, and there's music in a photo booth. Grades have to eat in the ani for when they do lunch, because the sixth graders is gonna use the cafeteria. And then the end of the school day, the sixth graders have a walk to say bye.
Wanna be good at school, love you. Let's go home. Breakfast time tayo guys. Mag-a-add ako ng almond. So, masarap siya sa ano. Ito siya. Napakasarap nitong ano na yan, guys. Cereal. Kasi ano, may almond siya. Ayan. And nag-a-add ako nito.